Hello everyone and welcome to another Nowtrain Tech video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can schedule an email to be sent at a later time in Gmail. So I'm logged into my Gmail account. I'm going to compose an email. So I'm just going to type a subject. So on the lower left side where the send tab is, there's a drop down tab. Click on that. Click on schedule send. So these are some default selections you can choose, but I want to choose where I can pick a date and time. Click on that. For example, I want to send this email tomorrow morning 9 o'clock. So today's Thursday. I'm going to choose Friday, which is the 16th. I want to change this time to 9 a.m. 9 and then colon sign 00. And it's on the 16th, which is tomorrow. So this email is going to be sent out December 16th and the time will be 9 a.m. Just click on schedule send and that's it. As you can see here, scheduled for tomorrow at 9 a.m. So I thank you for watching and I thank you for subscribing.